Hi guys, I'm Manika and today I created this look, soft eyes with the winged liner and dark naughty plum lips. I wanted to experiment by going bold on my lips and keeping my eyes soft and subtle. I just love how it turned out and let's see how I created it. I've already done my entire base and brows. For my eyes, I'm taking the Faces Canada Ultime Pro eyeshadow palette in Rose. Taking a fluffy blending brush and putting this shade into my crease. I'm just depositing the color on my crease first and then I'll be blending it out. I'm using circular and 2 4/4 motion to blend my crease eyeshadow flawlessly. Take time and blend your crease shadow well. Taking the shimmery white shade, I'm using the sponge applicator that comes with the eyeshadow and depositing it in the starting half of my eyelid. Then taking this rosy pink shade and applying it in the center of my eyelids. I'm blending in these two shadows well to ensure there's a smooth transition. Now taking this purple shade and applying it on the outer corners of my eyelid in a V shape. Again taking a blending brush, I'm blending in the edges, intensifying the purple shade a bit more. Now taking this baby pink foil shade and applying it on the center of my eyelid. Again taking a blending brush and blending in the edges. The matte shades in this palette are really chalky, so I have to reapply this purple shade every time I blend it. Taking this white shade on a small brush like this and putting it into the inner corners of my eyes. And on my brow bone just under the arc of my eyebrow. Using a purple eyeliner, I'm lining my lower lash line. I'm using the purple shade on the starting of my lower lash line. Taking a nude eye pencil and using it on my waterline. It gives the eyes a bright and opened up effect. Now taking a liner with a fine tip and drawing the wing. Extending a line from the end of my eyes towards the end of my eyebrows and then drawing a line connecting to my lash line like so. I'm just filling in the wing using short strokes. Now from the center of my lash line, I'm drawing a line connecting to the base of the wing. Just extending the wing to connect with the line that I drew earlier. Drawing a thin line on the starting corners and connecting it to the middle. Just giving my wing some final touches. Applying the purple shade on my lower lash line and blending it out. Added some mascara and falsies and this beautiful bold lip shade. I've used the Nykaa Matte Moist Lipstick in the shade Mischievous Plum and this is my final look. I just love how this lipstick turned the entire look so bold and wicked and the soft eyes complementing the lips perfectly. Let me know in the comment section below what do you think of this look and hit the thumbs up if you liked it. I just love how this turned out and now you know the drill. Subscribe to my channel for more such videos, hit the thumbs up and share it with your friends. I'll see you next week. Bye.